Today we're hosting our 4th annual Food Truck Festival, Fall Festival also as it's called. We have 15 food trucks along with live music, and we have jumping castles, and we have the emergency services displaying and demonstrating what they do. We also have a bunch of craft vendors selling their crafts that they produce themselves. And we have our Larchmont Nurseries here with a lovely pumpkin patch that the kids can go through, and they also are selling their pumpkins. We have face painting, and we have lots of events going on here today. We have Billy and Pete's selling their pizzas and donuts. It's a lovely event, and if you come on down, you can enjoy the day. We have live music running until 4 o'clock.